Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to sync your audio and video in Premiere Pro or how to sync multiple clips in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. Import your video and external audio into Premiere Pro. Drag the video to the timeline, then place your external audio directly under it. Select both the video clip and the audio clip at the same time. Right-click and choose Synchronize. In the pop-up, select Audio and click OK. Premiere Pro will automatically analyze the waveforms and line them up perfectly. Play it back to confirm everything is synced.
Hello, I'm Dan Rodney, and I've been a designer for over 20 years.
Once synced, delete or mute the camera audio by right-clicking the video clip and choosing Unlink. Then select the on-camera audio and delete it, or just lower its volume to 0.
Hello.
If the auto-sync isn't accurate, you can sync manually. Zoom in on the timeline until you clearly see the waveforms. Look for a clap, a spike, or the first spoken word, then drag the audio clip left or right until the peaks line up with the camera audio. Trim the starter end if needed, then lock the synced audio and video so they don't move during editing. And that's it. That's how you sync audio and video in Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.